2A ANOVA. So please tell me the data that we have given in the morning class, that the data about the plot and the manure. So plot A B C D. There are four plots, na?
Yes,
A
sir.
B C D, and this is the data for yield.
Yes, sir.
Yield data for different plots. Yield data for different plots uh, and different. So this was manure and this was plot. And manure, what was the manure? What was the manure?
Sir, 1600.
Nitro
No, no.
nitrogen,
Okay, sir.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash. K.
potassium,
K.
phosphorus and potassium.
Potassium. So that was the data. So in this case, so tell me the data. Tell me the data column wise. A, B, C, D column wise.
Yes, sir. So 30, 40, 42,
40, 42. Then E.
45, 31, 47,
Then
38, 38, 40,
and then.
and 27, 42, 35.
So this was the data that for different plots A, B, C, D, and different manures N, pH, and K. So these are the yields generated in different plots when we are using the. So in ABCD plot, if we are using the nitrogen manure, then this is the yield. When we are using the phosphate manure, then this is the yield, and when we are using potash manure, this is the yield. And so as you can see, there is difference due to the manure as well as due to the plots. So for 2A ANOVA, what we will be discussing, 2A ANOVA means whether there is a difference due to the plots as well as whether there is difference due to the manure. So that is what we will be asking, that is what we will be learning in 2A and Y. Here both of them, both the sides, row as well as column, both of them are important. So let's discuss, let's write down the similar way that we have done in the morning, that we will give you the table first and then we will write down the, then we will do the calculation. Okay, it's similar kind of calculation that we will be doing. So let's do that. We'll be doing two-way ANOVA with this data set. So I hope everybody has written the data set. So now we will first write down the two-way table. This is a little bit different from the table that we have done in the morning. That's one-way table. Little different, but similar. It is similar but little different. Mind that in one way there we have tested only one thing, only one. We have tested only the whether there is difference due to the brands. Either it will be by row or it will be by column. Here in case of 2A it will be both by row and both by row and column. So 2A ANOVA will be a little bit different from that of one-way ANOVA. So let's write down the 2A ANOVA table. So let's write down the 2A ANOVA table. So what will be the elements of 2A ANOVA table? So this is a 2-way. Write down along with me ANOVA table. So similar to that of what we have done in the morning. So at the beginning is a sources of variation, source of variation. Then what was there?
Sum of squares.
Sum of squares. Very good. Then it was degrees of freedom.
Freedom.
Then it was
Mean square.
mean sum of squares, and then test statistic. Similar
Yes.
like test statistic. Similar column, but this is total variation, so source of total variation. So here in this case, sum of variation due to row. Source of variation we can write within the group, এটা হচ্ছে among the group হচ্ছে column, mind that among the group মানে column, তো the way we have written among the group, so columns, so either you have to write, either it is, if you are, so let's write, if you are considering the group as if you are considering the group as the manure, so in that case it will be, there are three types of manures. So potash, nitrogen, phosphorus and potash, so N, pH and K. So among the groups, so we will write, because we are informed here, row or column are distinguished, both row or columns are there, so it is easier to remember. So SSR, so sum of squares of rows, there will be, either it will be among the group, then within the group. Within the group means, so for column, I will bracket, I am writing that column, and this is total. So among the group, then within the group. Means here among the group means, if you are considering among the group, if you are considering the row, that means among the group means either for different types of manures. So that is for potash, for phosphorus, for nitrogen. So that is among the rows. And among the rows, there are within the, then there is within the rows. When in the same row also there is variation because of the plots. In the same row there is variation because of the plots. So that is why it is within the, among the group and within the, among means between the groups and within the group. So within the group and between the group. And what is not explained, that is the residue or error. So here there will be three different rows. Among the group, that is because of the row, because of the column, and then there is residue, and then there is total. In the previous one way there was only among the group, total and error. These are the three. So residue means error. Whatever could not be explained, that is error. So sum of squares column, there will be SSR, that is sum of square of rows. Then this is SSC. SSC is sum of squares for columns, and this is TSS, total sum of squares is TSS. DF is R minus 1, that is row minus 1. This is column C minus 1, and TSS will be R minus 1 into
10.
হ্যালো, বলো কি জিজ্ঞেস করবে, বলো কি বলবে, বলো।
স্যার ওটা কলাম -1 হচ্ছে না?
হ্যাঁ, এটা C minus 1,
কতগুলো কলাম
হ্যাঁ,
আছে?
column minus 1, that's what I have said.
আচ্ছা,
And okay, I have missed one thing. If this is SSE means whatever is not explained, whatever difference there will be is SSE. So in the sum of squares column there will be 4 elements. SSR is sum of squares for row, SSC is sum of squares for column, and TSS means total sum of squares. Whatever is not there, not unexplained part, is the SSE, sum of squares for error, or sum of squares for residuals. So that is SSE. Then for degrees of freedom, first one is R minus 1, then the second one is C minus 1, and finally this is R minus 1 into TSS is, just a second, TSS is R minus 1 into C minus 1. Can't find, just give me a minute. SSE is R minus 1 into C minus 1. into C minus 1, and this is n minus 1. TSS total is always n minus 1. Then this will be MSR, mean sum of square is SSR by আগের বারে যেমন হয়েছিল by degrees of freedom, that is R minus 1. SSC is, then it is MSC is SSC by C minus 1, and lastly it is MSE is equals to SSE by R minus 1 into C minus 1. Okay, now here we are doing two tests. There will be two
Sir,
different
in
tests.
total, sir, in total degree of freedom,
Yeah.
it's 9 minus n minus 1, right?
It will be n minus 1. This will be n minus 1. Yes, it is n minus 1.
Okay, sir.
Because total always 1 degree of freedom is being diminished. And here will be two different F's. This is F for rho. So that will be MSR by MSE. That is F1. And this will be F2. This is for column. So there are two types of variation, because of the row and because of the column. So we will mind that you have to do it carefully. Don't make any mistake. So what you are writing, and accordingly the answer will be there. I'll try to give the example that we'll be discussing. There I'll try to explain with the help of the example that I'll try to explain. So F2 is MSC by MSE. Okay. So F1 is MSR by MSE and F2 is MSC by MSE. Now, very importantly, F1 is a F distribution, follows F distribution with degrees of freedom R minus 1, comma R minus 1 into C minus 1. Because F1 is related to rho. So this is R minus 1 into R minus 1, comma R minus 1 into C minus 1. And F2 is also follows F distribution with কি হবে? Logically, what should be that? It will be C minus 1,
C minus 1.
comma
C minus
minus
1.
1 into
R minus 1 into
C
C minus 1.
I hope you have understood it by
C minus
yes.
1.
So we will be calculating two different, because I have said for two-way there will be two null hypotheses, two alternate hypotheses, because we are testing two different things together. In one way we will be testing only one, but in two-way we will be testing two different null hypotheses together. Okay, so that is the basic idea of a two-way ANOVA, and this is what we'll calculate in case of two-way table. Okay, now we will give you the formula, similar kind of formula, whatever we have done for one way, similar kind of formula will be giving that for two-way ANOVA. So let's write down the different formulae and then we'll calculate. Okay, so what was there in ANOVA? What was the first thing that we have learned in ANOVA? That was T. Now, first thing was
T, sir. T.
T was total. Total is double summation Xij. So double summation Xij means total of all, add all of them. So that is T. And then second one was CF. CF was T square by N. CF means correction factor. I think I have missed that in the morning. So there is a correction factor, and that is the adjustment that has been done with the, because there are certain calculation errors and adjustment factor. How we are not discussing the theory here. Our only thing will be the values. These formulas are important. You have to calculate the values accordingly. So T means double summation. That means you have to sum by the rows as well as sum by the columns. Now, next formula was SST, na? SST is total sum of squares. So
Yes, sir.
total sum of square means কি ছিল formula? Double summation xij square minus CF.
CF.
এখানেও তাই. So what does this mean? This means you have to square each value and then add double summation. Two way is much more easier to remember because there is no confusion over here, but one way there is little bit of confusion. So for two way, what we have to do, SST is double summation xij square minus CF. Okay, so this is more or less same what we have done. Okay, now then we will be finding ki jano, now there are certain new formula. Now we have the differences. So now we have SSR. So this is for SSR, means total sum of squares for row, and this is equals to we have written T. Please try to follow this way. So we have written T. I can write T as, please try to understand, I have written T1, so summation Ti. Can I write this? Let's try to explain what I mean by writing this. Say T is summation capital Ti, where I is for row. I is for row. Mane, in this case, for the example, I have 3 rows, right? For 3 rows, so first row sum I am denoting that by T1, second row sum I am denoting that by T2, and third row sum I am denoting by T3. Okay, so that is capital Ti for, and also it can be written as summation. Say I am writing small tj, where j is for column. Mane this was কি ছিল, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and here it was A B C D, তাই তো?
Potassium.
And
Yes,
for
sir.
columns it was A B C D. So
Yes, sir.
if you add these 3, these 4 values, you will get capital T1, and if you add these 3 values, you will get small t1. This is small t2, this is small t3, and small t4. This is what I mean by this. So you will get t. If you add these 3, you will get this value as t, and if you add this 4 values, small t1, small t2, small t3, small t4, you will also get capital T. Got it? So the sum can be obtained by either row or by column. ঠিক আছে? So that's what I am writing. So T is summation of Ti, capital Ti. This is for row, and small ti I am writing that is for column. Okay. Now, so next SSR. So SSR is for row. So that will be Ti square by Ni, and you have to sum that. So okay, I have forgot to tell you what is N. N is N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4, or it's better to write this way, capital N1, because for row I am writing capital N2 plus N3 plus N4 in this particular example, because there are.
So what is written in SSR?
I haven't finished yet. Minus CF. SSR is summation capital Ti square by Ni. Summation of that. Please write. I'll explain what I mean when we take the example. So in this case, it will mean capital T1 square by N1 মানে হচ্ছে how many values are there in first row? Capital N1.
Sir, 4.
4, right. Then
Sir, 4.
T2 square by 4 plus T3 square by 4. That is SSR minus CF.
Yes, sir.
In this case, because there are for row there are 3 rows: capital T1, capital T2, and capital T3, and each row has how many values? 4 values.
4 values.
So that's why I was writing n equals to summation of ni, where ni is number of elements in ith capital Ni. ঠিক আছে? Or it can be written as summation small nj, where small nj কি হবে? Where small nj will be number
of elements in
the
column.
jth column.
Sir, number of column.
Number of elements in the jth column. সব কটা রো আর কলামে যে সেম নাম্বার হবে এরকম নাও হতে পারে। It may be, it could be different values, it could be different. যেমন previously in one way তে আমরা করেছিলাম, it could be different.
4, 5, 4, 5, 6.
হ্যাঁ it could be different. মানে ওই ডেটাটাই যদি আমি বলতাম সে আরেকটা I have used another কি বলে I have used another manure, but I haven't used that manure in plot A, so I cannot get the yield in that case. বুঝতে পারছো কি বললাম? If
Yes, sir.
So I have written the data like A, B, C, and D. That's what, and this is N, pH, and K. That's what I have written. Say, and then I'm writing cow dung. ঠিক আছে? So and here it is blank, here it is 35, it's 40 and 42. It could have been like that, or so that means I haven't used cow dung in plot A and plot D, but I have used cow dung in plot B and plot C. That's possible.
Yes.
And but that will not make any kind of the data could be like this, whatever data I have previously given along with that. So there could be variation in row or column. It's not necessary that the number of everywhere there will be same number of rows and same number of columns. Not like that. Okay. We are writing again SSR. We have written as SSR. We have written as বলো কি বললাম? Summation.
Sir, sigma.
Capital TI.
Summation TI square by
TI square, right? Where I represents row.
Ni.
Row. And minus CF. Don't miss. I am missing it.
Minus CF.
Now SSC. This is for column. Is similar formula কি হবে? বলো. Similar formula. So notation.
Summation
TJ square by small n j minus CF.
NJ.
J is for
CF.
Yes.
So TJ square by NJ minus CF. ঠিক আছে? And SSE is the error term. আগেরবার যেরকম ছিল এখানে কি হবে? It will be similar. It will be TSS minus SSR plus SSC. So whatever is left, that will be SSE. TSS টা বের করতে পারবো, SSR বের করতে পারবো, SSC we can find out, and SSC will be found out by subtracting. Okay. So now we have the values. Now we have the formulae. Now we will be going back to to the values table and calculation. We will calculate. Okay. Okay. So before going
Yes,
to the
sir.
calculation part, let's write down the null hypothesis. Okay, all the formulae we have written, no more formula is required. So you have to remember this formulae and you have to calculate accordingly. Okay, so let's write down the null hypothesis first for the particular problem, and then we will start the calculation. To solve the problem, we require the null hypothesis. So let's write. So in this case, the first null hypothesis will be H01. Mind that, because there will be two null hypotheses. So H01 and H11, and that is the first null hypothesis. First, and second one is H02 and H12. Because there are two null hypotheses, so 0 means null hypothesis, 1 means alternate hypothesis. But this is first. Second suffix will denote the first null hypothesis, and here these two denotes the second null hypothesis. So what is the first null hypothesis? First null hypothesis, let's consider for the row. So because we have taken row at the top, so let's write down for the row. That means we'll write down the null hypothesis at key. What should be the null hypothesis? কে বলবে? There is no significant
Variation
variation due to the manures, because your row is manures, তাই তো?
Yes, sir.
There is, what is the synonym for manure? I think can't remember. Pesticide or something.
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer, right, fertilizer. I was looking for that particular word. So there is no significant variation due to the fertilizers or due to the manures. That's the null hypothesis. And the alternate hypothesis is there is significant variance. So no null hypothesis, there will be no significant variance, and alternative hypothesis, there will be significant variance due to the fertilizers. Due to the fertilizers.
Yes, sir.
So that is the null hypothesis. What is the second alternate hypothesis? There will be, what is the second alternate hypothesis? There is
There is no
There is no significant variation due
due to the plots.
yes, sir.
So ABCD
Due to the plots.
different plots. You have 1 acre plots. I have said ABCD are different plots of 1 acre each or whatever. And these are the production yields, means production that you are trying to make a crop. So rice you have used to produce rice. Because the farmers agitation is going on so I'm using that particular kind of data. Last day we have used that COVID vaccination type of data, yesterday's class. So now, relevant real life stories that we are trying to use it. So there is no significant, and these are real life things that we are discussing. Significant variation due to the plots. And what is the alternate hypothesis? There is
significant variation
due to
the
plots.
due to the plot.
You can mention plots ABCD. Here you can mention NKP, তাই না? NKP যারা ইয়ে করে, those who are familiar with the manure and fertilizer, the NKP fertilizer, these are the that's why I've given the names as that. Okay, so these two are the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. Now we will try to solve the problem using the data. So in the one way ANOVA, we have the data was a little bigger, 1600 and all that. So we have bigger values. So we have tried to subtract because we have said that change of origin will not make the variance change. Here also you can change. You can subtract a particular value. You may subtract a particular value. You may not subtract a value. It will only help in simplifying the calculation, nothing else. So those who want to subtract a value, you can subtract a value. Those who do not want to subtract a value, keep it like that as it is. But if the values are itself bigger, then the squares and all that, the terms will become bigger and bigger. So let's do it. Let's solve it. Now we already have the data with us, and we have already written down the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Yes, I was just trying to tell you how to solve our ANOVA problem. The process is the data is given. So from the data, first thing you have to do is to write down the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. Then see, obviously you have to check whether it's a one-way test or a one-way ANOVA or a two-way ANOVA. By looking at the question itself, you can understand. For one way, it will be either the row or for column. It will be asked, and obviously the test for the last question in one way we have done 5% level of significance, because the data that will be provided with 5%, whatever the data, the F distribution value has to be provided, and corresponding values has to be provided. Otherwise, you cannot finally take the decision. So the table that I have provided is 5% level of significance. So whatever calculations we will be doing, whenever a test, as I said earlier, that whenever we are doing any test, level of significance has to be mentioned. Maybe I have forgot to mention the test in the morning, but we have used that in the table, that level 5% level of significance we have used in the morning. So here also, both whatever test, here also we will be doing the test with 5% level of significance. So what we will be testing here, whether there is significant difference due to the plots. That's number one, or number two, whatever you say. And second question is whether there is significant difference due to the fertilizers, and test at 5% level of significance. And as I was saying, to do ANOVA, so first when you decide whether it's a one-way or two-way, so write down the null hypothesis accordingly. Then write down the table, the first table that we have written, that SST, SSTR, TSS, and leave some space after that. And then you do the calculation, T square, N, then SST, SSR, all those things will be calculating, and then we will be filling that table with the values and ultimately calculate the value of F. So that's how we will be doing. So here also let's do. So in this case it will be very easy. So find out, say this is T1, T2 and T3. So T1, just add those four values. So we are not changing the origin. So we are just using whatever the data is. So T1 is 30 plus 45 plus 38 plus 27. That gives you
140.
140. So T2 is, how much is T2? 38 plus 42 is 120, 151.
151, sir.
So without calculator I have done. So 151.
But T3 is
151. Then T3 is
164.
164. Then sorry, we have got T1 as 140, T2 as 151, T3, capital T3 as 164. So this is small
Yes, sir.
T1. Small T1 is 112.
112, sir.
Then small T2 is
112.
123.
123.
so 123.
103.
Then
160.
116.
so
116.
Arey Baba. So 116, 123, and this
45.
D8 জন্য কত? How much is
455.
155? And T is, if you add these three columns or these four columns, কত হলো total? So what is T? What is the value?
455.
455
455.
স্যার ওই যেটা আপনি হ্যাঁ স্যার স্যার ডি তে যেটা 155 লিখেছেন ওটা 104 হবে
104. Okay. This is 104. Right? So
এটা হলো
112,
Yes, sir.
112, 116, 123, 104. That's okay?
Sir, 112, তারপরে 123, তারপরে 116.
Oh, 123 is here. 123 is here. Then 116. It's okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So we have all the values. So now, so T is 455.
Yes, sir.
So CF is T square by N. So that means 455 square by N is 12, isn't it? N is
স্যার এনটা এখানে বড় হাতে দিতে হবে না?
আরে বড় হাতে ছোট হাতে যা হোক দাও না। How you write, it's up to you. Yes, what you have, but I think I have denoted by small n. You can write capital N, doesn't matter. But it should be defined earlier. So 455 square divided by 12. So how much is that?
252.08.
17252.08.
Sir, 2.
0.08. Fine. So that
Yes,
is CF. Then calculate SST. So SST is প্রত্যেকটাকে স্কোয়ার করতে হবে। বলো বলো
30,
হ্যাঁ
30,
30 স্কোয়ার
40 square,
হ্যাঁ
40 square,
40 স্কোয়ার প্লাস 40
plus 42 square,
হ্যাঁ
plus 45 square,
45 স্কোয়ার
plus 31 square,
31 স্কোয়ার
plus 47 square,
47 স্কোয়ার
plus 38 square,
38 স্কোয়ার
plus 38 square,
30 না 38
38 sir, 38 sir,
38 ওকে হ্যাঁ
40 square,
40 স্কোয়ার
হ্যাঁ 40 square, 27 square,
27 স্কোয়ার
plus 42 square,
42 স্কোয়ার
35 square,
35 স্কোয়ার হয়ে গেছে এক
হয়ে গেছে, স্যার।
3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 রাইট minus CF how much is minus CF is
17252.08,
अरे 172.08 so calculate the value how much is this so 30 square plus 40 square plus 42 square plus 45 square plus 31 square plus 47 square plus 2 into 38 square plus 40 square plus 27 square plus 42 square plus 35 square minus 17252 na 2.08 17252 na
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so that gives you how much
Yes, sir.
412.
17252.08.
eh
স্যার টোটাল ক্যালকুলেট করেছে 412.92.
412.92 I have also got that 412.92
Yes, sir.
so this is what the value of SST I have also got 412.92
Yes, sir. Same here.
okay so 412 SST is 412.92 everybody has got that
yes sir,
Yes, sir. Yes,
now
sir.
now SSR so SSR is key T1
Sigma TI square
so T1 square by N1 plus T2 square by N2 plus T3 square by N3 so T1 কত ছিল দেখো ওই টেবিলটায় 100 কত
140
140
Sir, 140.
140 square by 4
Yes, sir.
plus
151 by 4
151 by 4 now 151 square by 4
yes square by 4
oh minus CF বাদ গেছে minus CF there is minus CF and third one is
164 square by 4.
164
164
square
by 4
by
minus
4.
CF was
4 minus CF.
17252.08.
2.08. So calculate.
Yes, sir.
So calculate this. So 140 square by 4 plus 151 square by 4 plus 164 square by 4 minus
15599.
52.08. Eh?
15599.17.
না না এত বড় হবে না। আর কেউ আরেকজন? Calculation wrong. You have made a wrong calculation.
Sir, 72.17.
72.17. I have also got 72.17. I have also got 72.17. ওটা তো TSS এর চেয়ে ওই ভ্যালুটা বেশি হতে পারে না। It cannot be. It cannot be more than
72.17.
is 72.17. This is SSR. ওকে, ক্যালকুলেশনে কোথাও স্কোয়ারে ক্যালকুলেট করতে পড়তে ভুলে গেছে। নাথিং, বাট process is like this. So just look at the calculation and do it. Okay, so next SSR হয়েছে, সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছে? কোনো অসুবিধা? Is there any difficulty? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, then SSC. SSC is summation small ti square tj square by nj. So that is equal minus cf. Minus cf টাই বাদ চলে যাচ্ছে, মনে থাকছে না। So this is t1 square by n1 plus
Sir, SSR টা 72.17 হয়েছে।
তাই তো লিখে দিয়েছি অলরেডি আমি। I have marked it out. হ্যাঁ, t1 square by n1, t2 square by n2 plus t3 square by n3 plus t4 square by n4 minus cf. So t1 square কত ছিল?
112.
112 square by 3, তাই তো?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus
123 square by 3.
123 square by 3 plus
116.
106. Now 116
116.
square by 3.
3.
Lastly
104 square.
104 square by 3 minus cf টা যেন কত বড়? 17252.
17252.08.
0.08. Okay, so let's calculate this. So let's calculate this. 112 square by 3 plus 123 square by 3 plus 116 square by 3 plus last এটা 104.
Yes, sir.
104 square by 3 minus
Yes, sir. 104 square.
252.08. How much is that?
62.92.
62.92. I have also got.
Sir, 17252. Sir,
Now
17252.
minus CF. CF তো subtract করতে হবে. 17252.08 তো you have to subtract. Answer is 62.92 SSC. শিবব্রত কত পেয়েছো?
62.92, sir.
92. So we have got, পড়েছো সবাই?
Yes, sir.
ক্যালকুলেটর, সায়েন্টিফিক ক্যালকুলেটর ইউজ করতে হবে, নইলে অনেক ঝামেলা।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have got, then we have to find out SSE. SSE is SST minus SSR plus SSC. So SST কত বেরিয়েছিল আমাদের? How much was SST? or SST না TSS কি লিখেছিলাম মনে নেই।
SST, sir.
400
412.92.
412.
TSS. 400.
SST or TSS, total sum of squares, that's what I mean. লিখেছিলাম না SST লিখেছিলাম? I cannot remember. TSS লিখেছিলাম?
Sir, 0.92.
না না
Four
স্যার
one.
এসএসটি লিখেছিলেন।
আচ্ছা 412 পয়েন্ট,
SST লিখেছিলাম SST
হ্যাঁ
92
412.92 minus SSR. How much you have got? 70.
172.0.
একজন
point 17
what? How much SSR we have?
Sorry, 72.17.
SSR
Yes, sir.
and SSC how much you have got?
62.92.
62.92.
92.
So calculate how
Yes,
much
sir.
SSC.
277.83
দেখে নিচ্ছি 70.17 minus 412.92 is 277.83.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
277.83
So we have got all the values. Now we'll put it in the table. All these values we'll put it in the table. So let's put it in the table.
yes.
Let's go back to the table. So we have source of variation. So what are the source? First source is row, then column, and then residue or error. Right? And this is total. So that was the source. Then second which is sum of squares, SS. So this is SST, total sum of squares. This is SSR, SSC and SSE. Tell me the values that we have got. SSR, how much we have got?
72.
Sir, 72.17
72.17. SSC is 62.69. Nakho? Koto?
62.
92.
62.92.
92
98 or 92?
Yes, sir. 92, sir. 2.
92 sir
SSE is
277.83.
277.83. Fine.
3.
Fine. Then degrees of freedom. So degrees of freedom, how many rows are there? There are 3 rows. So
Yes, sir.
this is 2. R minus 1 is 2. C minus 1 is 3.
3.
4. There are 4
Yes, sir.
columns. So 4 columns. And this is 3 to the 6. And this will be
6
11. Total there are how much? Total
11.
12 data.
12 sir
12 data. So this is 12 minus
12
there are 12 data.
n minus 1
N minus 1 is 11. So if you add these 3, it will be 11. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 6 is 11. Then mean sum of square. So this is MSR. MSR is 72.17 divided by 2. So how much is that?
36.09
36.09. 36.09.
36.06
MSC is 62.92 by 3. 3 equals
20.97
point something.
20.97 sir
97.
97
And MSE is
46
by 6.
46.31
46.305.
31 লিখেছি
আরে আচ্ছা 46. শোনো বেশি অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেট না করে ভালো। আচ্ছা 46.305 তিনটে ডিজিট তো, বেশি ডিজিট
হ্যাঁ।
থাকলে অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেট করব, যখন যদি তিনটে ডিজিটই আছে ক্যালকুলেটরে, সো ইটস বেটার নট টু অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেট। তাহলে হোয়াট ইজ
ঠিক আছে স্যার
কারণ যদি 46.30577 ইত্যাদি থাকতো দেন উই কুড হ্যাভ টেকেন গট ইট। ইন দিস কেস
ঠিক আছে স্যার
because there are 3 values, so better not to approximate. So F1 is 36.09. কত হলো? F1 is by 36.305.
46.305 so 0.78 sir
779. Yes, it's 0.78. 0.78. F1 is 0.78 and F2 is
0.452. 0.45.
Just a second. Into 20.97. 0.4528. 0.45. ঠিক আছে. Yes, F1 is 0.78 and F2 is 0.45. So that is the calculation that is done. সবাই করছে, everybody is doing it. Follow the table,
Yes,
follow
sir.
the formula.
Yes, sir.
Simple.
Yes,
that
sir.
Follow the table, follow the formula. Everything is given in the table. So follow the formula. So calculated F1 is কত? 0.78.
Yes, sir.
And F1 is degrees of freedom will be, F1 follows F distribution with degrees of freedom 2,6,
6.
and F2 follows degrees of freedom 3,6. এইটা যদি উল্টে যায় তাহলে কিন্তু গন্ডগোল. It has to be 2,6 and it has to be 3,6. Now look at the table. Don't, because there are 3 rows, so r minus 1 is 2,6 has to be. এটা ভুল করলে কিন্তু গন্ডগোল. মানে সব করো, অবশ্য পরীক্ষাতে এরকম জিজ্ঞেস করবে না. হ্যাঁ, obviously they will ask what is the degrees of freedom for the F1, মানে রো এর জন্য. So it will be r minus 1 and it you have to write. Got it? So let's go to the table. F table I have given. Can you tell me the values? Okay. Tell me the values. Yes, for 5% level of significance, 2,6. What is the value?
Sir, 19330.
Na
19.
2,6 is 5.1433. Table দেখো, কি কোন টেবিল দেখছো? Which table you are looking? Table A6. I already said
5.1433.
33. Yes, that is the F26, and F36 is 4.75.
4.7571.
4.7571. পেয়েছো সবাই?
Yes, sir.
Can you find the values in the table? Table A6. I have sent it earlier. আগের দিন পাঠিয়েছিলাম. F distribution table, critical values of the F distribution at 5% level of significance. These values will be provided. Mind that these values will be provided. You don't have to check from the table. These values will be provided. But remember to check the correct value with the correct one. So now F1 and calculated F2 how much? 0.39.
Sir, 0.452.
0.45. So for both the cases they are less. So calculated F1 is less than the tabulated F1, and calculated F2 is also less than the tabulated F2. So what does that mean? That means both the
It will be accepted.
it will be
Null value will
null
be-
hypothesis. Both the cases
Yes,
null
sir.
hypothesis will be accepted. That means there is no significant answer will be like this. There is no significant difference or no significant variation due to the plots. Sorry, first one is due to the manure. No significant difference due to the fertilizers, and also there is no significant difference due to the plots. And that completes the discussion of ANOVA two-way. For this problem, both the null hypotheses will be accepted, but it is not necessarily true for all the problems. It depends upon the value of F1 and F2. It is quite possible for some problem first null hypothesis is accepted, second null hypothesis is rejected. So depending upon the data
Yes, sir.
is there, accordingly the values will be calculated. The decision will be taken only based upon the value and calculated value and the tabulated value. No presumption is required. So whatever you will be getting, accordingly you have to take the decision. Mind that for both the cases, the null hypothesis will be there is no significant variation, and the alternate hypothesis there is significant variation. So that is how we have to write down the null hypothesis. So for one way or two way, depending upon what is being asked to test, you just first write down the null hypothesis, then write down the corresponding table for one way or two way depending upon the problem, then calculate the different values T, CF, SST, SSR, SSTR, whatever the way, SSC, MSC, SSC, all these values. MSC to calculate করতে হবে না. SST for one way you have to calculate SSTR, SST and SSE, and then you put the values in the table to find out MSE and whatever in the formula there. And for two way you have to calculate the total sum of squares. So SST, T, CF, then you have to calculate SSR, SSC, SSE and TSS or SST, whatever I have written. And then put the values in the table to calculate all the other values and calculate the value of F1 and F2 and then check from the table or the value that will be supplied with that. So you check whether it is, if the calculated value is greater than the tabulated value, the null hypothesis is rejected and alternate hypothesis is accepted. If the calculated value is less than the tabulated value, null hypothesis is accepted and alternate hypothesis is rejected. So that completes the discussion on ANOVA.